Welcome to Sage Pastel Payroll's How to Process Annual Leave video. This video will illustrate how to process leave in 3 different ways. Before you can process leave, the leave balances need to be added to the Leave tab of the master file. For assistance with adding the leave item, watch our Understanding Annual Leave video. To view all employees' leave balances, you can generate the Leave History report by navigating to View, Payroll Reports, Leave History. Filter the report and set the correct parameters. This report will show you the leave balances of all of the employees that it has been filtered for. Option 1. Capture leave on each individual payslip. Navigate to Process Payslip. Click on the Leave tab. In the first available white line, enter the code 0001. Enter the date when the employee will go on leave and the last date that this person will be on leave. The days taken will calculate automatically but can be changed if required. You can add a remark, but this is not mandatory. Option 2. Capture leave via batches. Please make sure to have a backup before continuing. Navigate to Process, Process Batches, Batch Transactions. Enter a batch name. Change the batch type to Leave Batch. Enter an employee code. Enter the transaction code as 0001. Enter a date from and date to. The days taken can be changed and remarks can be added, but it's not mandatory. To make capturing your leave batch easier, you can click on Settings and enter repeat options like the transaction code, date from and date to if this is a shutdown, and remarks if it is repeated. Now you can continue with adding employees to the batch and change the dates if needed until all the employees who you will be processing for have been added to the batch. Once all of your employees have been added, click on Update Payslip, click on Yes, then click on OK. When viewing the payslip, you will now see that the Leave Transactions has been added to the Leave tab. Option 3. Using Multiple Transaction Manager. Please ensure that you have a backup before continuing. Multiple Transaction Manager is an add-on module. Please check under Help and About if you're registered for this module. If you are registered for it, you can navigate to Process, Process Batches, Multiple Transaction Manager. Enter the transaction code as 0001 and the batch type should automatically be changed to Leave. The Multiple Transaction Manager can only add leave transactions to one pay frequency at a time, so select the pay frequency, then select the from date and the to date for the leave transactions. The days taken will generate automatically and you can enter remarks if you wish. Now click on Filter. Filter for the pay frequency that we selected in the previous screen. The employees will now load to the batch screen. You can make changes to the dates, the employees, and the days taken. You can now either add to this batch or update the payslip and create a new one. We will be adding to it by clicking on Multiple Transaction Manager. Click on Yes to add more transactions to this batch. Select transaction 0001 and fill in the rest of the fields, but now select your other pay frequency. Filter for the employees in the new pay frequency that you wish to include. These employees will now be added to the batch. Once again, the information in the batch can be edited. Once all the frequencies are loaded, you can enter a batch name. Then you can select Update Payslip. Say yes to save the changes and click on Yes to continue. Depending on the amount of employees, the posting of the batch might take some time. Please be patient and don't force payroll to close. You will see that the leave items have now been added to the payslip. Thank you for watching our video. Reach out to us on our self-help platforms.